King of the Baggers factory riders James Rispoli and Kyle Wyman just took the new 2024 bikes out on the track here in Vegas, and nobody's actually seen these bikes. They've made some changes, and I'm actually under an NDA. I can't tell you at the time I'm recording this video, but obviously by the time it's out, then I can tell you. But it's really cool to see these guys just flying. And it's really cool to see these guys again. I got to go to preseason when they were warming up, testing bikes last year in Arizona. And that was really cool, but I love the smell of race fuel. I can smell it again here. It's excitement. All right, and also, hold that thought. And if you're seeing this video, it will be public information, but Harley-Davidson has actually filmed a 6-part series. Everything surrounding King of the Baggers. And they'll be releasing it on their YouTube channel. We got to kind of see a trailer this morning in briefing, and it looks really, really good. So I cannot wait to see that. So check it out.
Ago, proud to show you our 2024 race bikes. The first time they've been out in the wild and everybody got to see it, and of course Kyle and James on the bikes as well. Pretty cool experience. We're happy to be here. We're happy to have a full conversion this year over to the new Road Glide platform. So we have the whole new bodywork, but as well as we have the enhancements across the bike for the new engine and the upgrades that come with that. We believe that we've got a killer bike here for the 2024 season. We can't wait to see these guys out there. We'll be announcing soon in terms of the race platform and the race program, but we have official partners on board this year. Mission Foods, again, Rockford Fosgate, Olin's, and Brembo have stepped in and really helped us bring our bikes to the next level, and really excited. It's great to have a direct tie to the production models and see what type of influence that racing has brought to the motor company. And in particular, you see, the use of carbon fiber and titanium components across the race bike that are the direct influence of the lightweight components on the street bike. The cooling strategy and the engine and the heads that we're using here have all been developed in conjunction with the powertrain that you see here over on the ST models. Suspension, very similar in terms of its performance and its tune, and of course you have a track mode on a bagger for the first time that comes directly out of this guy's map. So it's really fun to be a part of. This is the first time the bikes and all their livery and the riders have been out on it, so you guys get to see it put together as a full package as early as anybody. And we'll be going testing here in a couple weeks, and we got a big week in front of us, but refining everything, getting ready for the season kickoff in Daytona, which is going to be the largest, fastest King of the Bagger season yet. We have 8 full doubleheader rounds, and stay tuned, there could be an additional one added, but we're going to have no less than 16 races going into next season.
Road America for me, for sure. Not just because it's in Harley's backyard, but it's always been my favorite place to travel to. Elkhart Lake is just a cool area, kind of reminds me of home in New York for me, and the track is just 4 miles, scenic, always has a great crowd, so it's a clear winner for me.
Probably Laguna. It's always got a good tie. I've always done pretty well there, and it's just a very unique track, and it's the nostalgia of it and everything, so probably Laguna.
Probably Road Atlanta, since Road America's taken already. But Road Atlanta was the very first racetrack that we ever brought a bagger to. All the team's work came, and we showed up there, and we took second that first year, but Kyle's won the next 3 races held at Atlanta, so it'll always be special as the first race we ever brought the factory program to, and we've had good success. It's a fun environment. The crowd there is always great. It's well attended. Really close paddock. If you get a chance to go, you get to be amongst all the teams, and it's a great feel to that facility. So they're both 17-inch diameter front and wheel. It's a 120 width front and a 200 width rear. So the rear wheel is 6 inches wide for the 200 width tire. They're forged aluminum, so it's a solid machine out of a solid forging. Might see a mix of wheels, but we're transitioning this year to full Marchesini wheels as our partnership with Brembo. Really excited about them. Very lightweight, but very strong. Designed specifically for racing application.
Okay, I have a couple of must-watch videos on your screen. One showcases the seamless transition of technology from these high-performance race bikes to the new 2024 CVO Road Glide ST, offering insights into its overall performance. The other video serves as a guide to assist you in determining whether the CVO ST or a street or Road Glide suits your preferences best. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.